But ladies and gentlemen, a force of nature that is called the wind, the crosswinds, the clouds, the moon, the sun, the everything sometimes is shook by something called turbulence. Turbulence. Give it up for Turbulence.
Kabaka Pyramid, congratulations on winning the Grammy. Put your hands so if you rate the youth. Yeah, man. No bad mind on anything. Anthony B, big up yourself. You see it. Pressure. Perfect. A woman segment, you know, so squeeze it. Never saw no man's man. Woman, I love you for sure. I got to sing this one for the ladies. We've got the love. Wow. One more. Never saw no man's man. Woman, I love you for sure. We got the love. God bless our love. Come now, we don't have to search no more. We got the love of the sun. God bless our love. She telling me, sir, she's a butterfly. She's always high. My love it makes you feel like she can touch the sky. After last eye, she could never deny I'm the one she loves. Baby, you and I are inseparable, are benevolent, and our love. Watch the Queen's people, I'm gonna sing the song. And I'm most a big song. Balance it. We've got the love. Others are searching for. Like how the people them there, and it's a Rasta vibe. And you know the Rasta vibe is real. Everybody in our Queens, let me hear you say this now. Say freedom. Some people freedom. All right, now try one more time again. Wake up now. Say freedom. Freedom. I want to know. Freedom. Come on, man. We've got the love. I've been searching for. And God bless our love. We don't have to stop no more. Others are searching for. Let me hear you do it again. Yo, say freedom. You think me never come over here, so? Come here, bass man. Come here, bass man. I who have cigarette pan Rasta stage. Me I give him a page. Me know you can't play the bass, but on the bass me I carry out if you play. Me sorry for you. Balance! Balance! Seasoning. No black pepper, no MSG. But put little seasoning on it. Come here, Tom. Onion. Yeah. You. Say freedom. 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 Oh, you
Give
mean?
thanks and praise. I will say manners and respect to all the patrons, all the fans who turned out to the Black and Proud. Yesterday night, it was a vast inauguration. It was a warm vibe, a very warm reception for the artists there. You know what I mean? So, give thanks to Reggae Vibe, Anthony B, and the whole people and the whole conglomerates, the whole people that will come together and make this possible. Thank you very much. Turbulence exposure. We tore it. We took it. Bam!